Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, a couple months ago we did a SnackCrate video and we are back with another SnackCrate video. Coda has gotten another SnackCrate box and we have no idea what it is.
I have an idea.
You have an idea?
Yeah, because it says, it's got the name. Or it says hello.
Moika? Moika?
I don't know, I'm trying to...
We'll take a picture of that.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
We'll take a picture of that and we'll blur out the address. But, it has the greeting from whatever country it's in, but we just can't understand the greeting. So, I am super excited to figure out what this is. Remember, kids, always run with scissors. Don't really do that. What do you think it is?
Oh no,
Take a guess.
I think it's Finland.
Finland?
Shawnee Googled it.
Oh, she did.
And I think she's in Finland, but I don't know.
That's
the other
cheating.
one I know.
That's cheating.
The other one I know.
That is cheating. It's Finland. It's all right. We made a minor mess from some candy that we just made. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get rid of that. Finland. Gosh, this is so cool. So, like the last one, we got a little brochure that's got. I haven't looked at it yet, so we got a little brochure that's got Finland on it and what exactly we can find. It's got some fun facts about Finland as well.
Got stickers!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Oh, they're so cute.
It came with a bunch of stickers this time. And it goes through a bunch of different things that could be coming in this box. But I am super excited to try this out. Oh, the SnackCrate thing is so different. Oh, that is so cool. We're going to put all these pictures up in the middle of the video. Wow, I'm super excited. Alright, I hate to tear this open because it looks so cute, but we just gotta bust right into this. Look at how flat this is.
I hope it's not open. I'll try.
I don't think it's open. I think it's just, I don't know, Broadway. Look at that.
Oh, these look like, these remind me of jujubes.
Oh gosh, again with the jujubes.
Here we go. Moomin gummies. There's strawberry.
This is big. This is a big thing. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here.
I got the bigger box.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, these are just the original Tafel Hearts. Corn snacks with nacho cheese flavor. There you go, look at that. Hearts.
I'm not even gonna try, but it does say hot and sour on these.
Hot and sour?
Hot and sour. Can you see it? I can't see
Yeah. Salmaiki? Salmaiki? It's I don't know what it is. We got a pack of cigarettes. There you go, look at that. A pack of cigarettes or a pack of cards.
I found Jim. Oh, it's backwards, it's fine. You get the gist, it says Jim.
It looks like it says Mish in the camera. Mish. Okay, this is Suzu Original. I don't know what this is. Suzu Original. That's interesting looking candy.
This is pretty.
Wow, that's big. That's what she said.
Milk chocolate with soft hazelnut filling.
I'm getting the theme of the phaser candy. Made in Finland, of course. This is Carl Phaser candy. Carl Phaser candy. That's looking interesting. And you already went through the thing. Interesting. Okay, and this one came with a drink.
Of what that means.
What the heck?
Anyway, drink.
Jafel. Ooh, this smells good. Here, I'm gonna take the first sip. Cheers. It says applecini, but it doesn't taste like apple. It's like citrus, almost like orange. It's almost like Fanta. It tastes like Fanta. That's actually not bad. Granted, I don't really like soda, so it's not my favorite thing in the world. I don't like the fizz, but the taste itself is actually really good.
Let's do the hot and sours.
The hot and sours. Thank you. Oh dear. Oh! God, the smell. Oh my god, I can tell already I'm not gonna like this. Ugh. What is in the center? That's what I want to know. It looks like there's something in the center.
Oh, this one smells good.
No. I can't.
I don't know how I feel about it.
Oh god. I'm not much of a candy person to begin with, so candy like that, I just don't like. Unless it's chocolate, I don't really like candy. Alright, moving on to the next thing while she's working on that. I'm interested in this pack of... What the hell?
That was so gross!
What the hell?
I bit into it.
And?
It's like meaty.
Meaty. That's weird. We're gonna get into this pack of cigarettes before we were interrupted by Koda's weird
I bit
thing.
it.
Yeah, she decided to bite into it.
Go big or go home. Oh no, it's gonna be like black licorice.
It's probably gonna be black. It probably is black licorice. It smells like a raisin though.
The hell?
It smells like a raisin, but it's like black licorice. It's like a diamond shape. Oh god.
What is that?
Oh, I've had that. Oh,
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, that's so.
Oh, that's licorice.
That's not licorice. I've
Once
had
you get
licorice.
past the outer layer of nasty, it gets to even more
Oh.
nasty.
Okay, I'm just gonna dispose of that. Okay, so you pick
Let's go with Jim because he's small.
Jim. Jim's the name of my boss. Oh,
It's like a turd.
chocolate.
Oh,
What the heck is that?
a surprise.
Like, it tastes like marshmallow at first, but it's got a weird tang to it.
It's almost like orange, then it ends banana.
Yeah, it's like a little citrusy. I don't know. That's really weird. We'll come back to that. I want to go ahead and try some of the chips. Let's go for the hearts. Because, you know, we're heartless. We ain't got none. We can use some of these. We have a very dark sense of humor. For those of you who know us personally. I think we've let our dark humor slip a couple times on the show. They're literally little hearts. Which, I mean, I don't know what else I was expecting, because, you know.
Here it goes, yay! Oh, I'm sniffing it.
I like it.
I'm down.
Just eat this the rest of the video. Alright, we're almost done here. We're halfway done. A whole lot of toopla.
Turds!
Two little turds.
One for you, one for me.
Alright, so yeah, this literally looks like turd. And it looks like chocolate with Rice Crisps in it.
Well, it's hard as hell. I can't get my teeth on it.
I thought it was caramel at first, but it's like sticky chocolate. But yeah, it's got like Rice Krispies in it. Like crisp rice.
Cocoa nougat covered in roasted almonds, then dipped in milk chocolate.
Carl Fazer. Carl Fazer is the next one. So hopefully it's just straight milk chocolate. Oh my gosh, this looks like a Laffy Taffy, or not a Laffy Taffy, a Tootsie Roll. Doesn't it remind
Another
you of
turd!
Doesn't it remind you of a Tootsie Roll? If you guys can see, it kind of reminds you of a Tootsie Roll. Alright, so you take the first bite.
Bro, you can just break it now. Ow, I bit my lip.
Oh, it's like straight milk chocolate then. Because I guess it kind of melted a little bit, I guess, on the way.
Of course, you didn't break pieces, babe.
That is not the milk chocolate we know here in America. It's not terrible. When you first bite into it, it's got a weird taste. Eventually, it gets to the milk chocolate. It's really thick, really rich. Really, really rich. Okay.
Whoops. This one. Yay. Yay. You get the gist. It's the pink one.
I am so sorry. Our lighting is absolutely terrible. I'm trying to invest in a ring light that it's a proper LED light, because what we have going on right now behind the camera
It's ratchet.
It's ratchet, very ratchet. Oh my gosh, that thing is massive. Oh, it's got like crispy stuff in the center.
Hazelnuts.
Hazelnuts. It tastes like Nutella. This is like Nutella with legit hazelnuts in it. I absolutely love Nutella, so this I can get behind. Let's go ahead and end the sweet with some salty. Sour cream and onion. I love me some sour cream and onion. You like sour cream and onion? Ah, it smells good. I would just like to point out the ratio
of chips to air.
Chips to air.
Or well, chips to
bad.
space, because there's air.
Very, very bad. Like all the chips are down here. And they're like mostly whole. 3. Your standard sour cream and onion chips. Nothing too special about that, but still really good. Moving on to our second to last thing, the Suzu. Now, you want to talk about looking like a turd.
There it is.
This looks like a turd. That is all chunky. You see the audio file? It tastes good, I swear. I'm just coughing.
It's like fruity caramel.
I swear to God, it's good. I'm just choking on something. It tastes like chocolate cake, like vanilla chocolate cake. All right, last but not least is the Moomin gummies. I don't know. Half the stuff in here has been good. Half the stuff has been pretty questionable. But this is the very last thing, and I'm kind of excited for it. Is it like a soft gummy or is it a hard gummy?
It's like a jujube.
Ah, oh, freaking jujubes. I hate these hard gummies. But they're like little people.
I just went to a unicorn.
What? What am I choking on?
Air.
No.
They're not like jujubes.
Yeah, these aren't bad. These are like regular gummies. The gummies that we had in the UK video, those are bad. I hated those. These are actually tolerable. All right, so babe, out of all the stuff that we had, what was your favorite?
Either the hearts or these.
Oh yeah, I completely forgot about hearts. Yeah, the hearts were definitely the best thing. I'm not gonna say the Broadway chips because they just taste like generic sour cream and onion chips, so I can't really, give it any credit for that. Alright guys, well that is going to wrap it up for this video. This was another SnackCrate video, and this time we got a bigger crate with a lot more snacks, and it came with a drink, and I think the next one that we have is going to come with a drink as well, so I am super excited to try that one. But yeah, so we have our favorites. This was SnackCrate from Finland, and we're just a bunch of naive Americans that don't know anything about Finland, just trying random snacks from around the world. So I'm definitely looking forward to continuing this series because trying all this different food from around the world is really, really interesting, and it intrigues me, and I like learning about new cultures and the types of food that they eat over there. So very much so looking forward to the next video. You look like you have something to say. Hi. Okay. So, alright guys, with that, we are off and we will see you guys in the next video.